Hi, I'm Mark Shapiro, and welcome to What is Cool in Tech Show, the tech show for nerdy seniors, their friends, and their families. It's summer. Summer's coming, and you know what that means, don't you? It's barbecue season. That's right, the time when you get to barbecue steaks, hamburgers, vegetables, all the great stuff. Bring your friends, your neighbors, your family over and have a barbecue. But what happens when the barbecue's over and everybody goes home? You have to clean the barbecue, and that can get really icky. For example, look at all this grease, all this icky burned on stuff. How do you get rid of it? That's right, the GrillBot. So check this out, the GrillBot automatic barbecue cleaning robot. It's sort of like a Roomba robot, but instead of cleaning floors, it's for your barbecue. You simply open up the carrying case, take out the robot, lay it on a metal grate, hit the on button, and then let it do its thing. It goes back and forth, scraping the gook off your grill until all the icky stuff is gone. I usually close the barbecue and just wait a half hour or so. Yes, it is noisy. If you like, after a while, when the top of the grill is clean, you just turn over the grate and let the GrillBot clean the other side as well. Okay, the GrillBot is not perfect. It doesn't get all the caked on grease and burnt food between the grates. You might have to manually take care of that. However, the GrillBot does take care of most of the icky stuff. And when it's all done, and your grill looks a lot better, you simply pop out the 3 nylon brushes, shove them in your dishwasher along with your dishes, pots, and pans. Personally, while the brushes are getting cleaned up in the dishwasher, I attach the USB cord to an outlet and charge up the robot for the next time. And a few hours later, when the dishwasher cycle is complete, voila! The brushes are clean. Just insert them back into the robot and you're ready to go. By the way, if you use your GrillBot a lot and wear down your brushes, you can always buy another set. You can get it from Amazon, or you can go directly to the online GrillBot store. The price does vary a bit between Amazon and the GrillBot store. Price ranges from maybe $100 to about $115, depending on the sales and special offers. Check out both sites to get the best deal. So if you want to be the barbecue master of your home, the barbecue master of your neighborhood, get a GrillBot. They're great. And I want to thank you for joining the Tech Show, the Nerdy Show, the show for nerdy seniors and their friends and their family.